I am bringing Mirela's e-scooter. She has a puncture in her rear wheel. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Sukhumvit MRT station, and today I'm going to give you an update regarding a scooter rental place. Mirela has an electrical scooter and she had to fix it. I just used my credit card, by the way, to go into the MRT. This is a system that's been available for a couple of months. I'm here at the Lumpini station, and here on the map you can see it. So the Scoota is here. This is in Sathorn. So I'm gonna take exit number 1, then walk here and then get there. Yeah, so every time when I go with the MRT now, I use the credit card. So here you have the slot for the normal card. Here you can tap your credit card and then it pays automatically. It saves you updating your card. It means that you always are ready to go with the MRT. I still don't know if it works with foreign cards as well. The rainy season really started now, so when you take the MRT you never know if you end up in sunshine or the rain. So let's see what the weather has in store for us. It just rained a little bit when I got into the MRT station at Sukhumvit, but it seems to be dry now here. And this is also a nice opportunity to give you an update regarding the constructions of the One Bangkok. So here we are at BL25 Lumpini exit number 1. And this is the One Bangkok. I think this one is coming up pretty quickly. I think it's like, what is it, 8 or 9 floors? Yeah, there are a total of 9 towers here. Anyway, I'm gonna walk to Scoota. So after a few hundred meters walk, you get to Soi Nam Dupli. There you can turn right. And here, that's the tallest building at the moment in the One Bangkok district. So let's go in here. So again, after a few hundred meters walk, you get to the construction site of the Grand Center Point Lumpini. And there you have the, I would say entrance, but it's actually the exit of Sathorn. And you just follow the green wall to get to Scoota. The reason that I'm here is that I am bringing Mirela's e-scooter. She has a puncture in her rear wheel. And here at Scoota, they rent motorcycles, they rent e-scooters, and they can also repair them. So I thought this would be interesting for the expats under us. So here we are. So here we are with Kunwit, right?
Yes.
How are you,
Kunwit? Yes.
So I see you have an enormous amount of how many scooters do you have?
We have about 100 scooters.
About 100.
Yes.
Okay. And I understand that you can rent scooter here for daily rent, for
weekly and monthly. Yes.
Okay. So how much is it for 1 month?
1 month is we have promotion now 1,500 per month.
1,500 per
Yes,
month.
only, yeah.
Okay.
Monthly.
And the regular scooters, how much are they?
Regular, you mean the motorbike?
The motorbikes, yeah.
Motorbike is start per month 2,500.
2,500.
125cc.
Okay. And if you want to rent one, you do you have to pay everything up front, or you pay every month? How
You
is it?
need to pay the deposit
Yes.
plus the rental upfront.
Okay. The full rental for the whole year.
Full rental
Okay.
for the month.
Okay. So let me have a quick look at what you have.
To film. So behind is our service. Service room.
Okay. You can repair everything, like the
Yes,
wheels,
we
but
do
also the batteries.
Wheels, electronics, wheels, and also battery replacement.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can also do general service.
Okay.
Like brake adjustment and yeah.
Are you like limited to certain brands, or can you fix everything?
Most of them we can do. Yeah,
Okay.
we can do most of the brands.
Okay.
Because basic they're mostly the same, like Segway, Xiaomi. Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah, so if you have an e-scooter or if you want to rent one, then you can come here to Scoota. They have plenty of scooters available. Yeah, we got recommended by a friend of ours. And yeah, Mirela has been complaining because she couldn't ride her scooter for a while, so I had to come here.
Yeah, you can see our price list.
Ah, yeah, okay. So for the rear wheel, the price was I think 250, and then you have to pay a little bit extra for the
service. This for the
service.
parts and plus the service.
Okay. If you're interested in renting a scooter, electrical scooter or a regular scooter like motorbike, then you can come here to Scoota. You can also deliver the scooter to the.
We also deliver for free for monthly rental.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if weekly or daily, we charge around 300 baht. 10 kilometer radius from our shop only.
Okay, so this is in Sathorn, so you will deliver to Sukhumvit
or yes,
okay.
or Thonburi we can do.
Okay, very good, very interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, see ya.
Yes.
These are the regular motorcycles that you can rent. So the wheel has been replaced, it's fixed, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the scooter now towards the MRT station, and you can take a scooter in the MRT. So actually it's a really good idea to rent one of these scooters and get around town. Normally I don't film on these things because it's too tricky. But this is a one-way street, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna wait for these cars to pass, and then I'm gonna give you a bit of a scooter preview. Yeah, it's not. I don't like to film on a scooter, but because this is just a very short street and I think the battery is almost empty. So let's see if I can get to the MRT station, and then I will show you how I can take the scooter into the MRT. So I'm at the MRT station now. So let me unlock this one, open it. There we go. And like this, I can just take it into the MRT and travel wherever I want to go. And then, you know, wherever you get out, use it again. As you can see, it's very easy to take it with you. It can stand on its own here in the train. I'm back in a sock again, and it went perfectly well. Maybe it's time to get one of my favorite pizzas here at the Pizza Pala. I can definitely recommend that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Scoota motorcycle rentals and e-scooters. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.